1 month ago, we got our hands on the Hotwave W10, a rugged phone with an incredible 15,000 mAh huge battery for only $99. As a budget model, it's very reliable, but if you just want to take a phone on a long journey, the combination of 4GB RAM and 32GB ROM may not be enough to meet all your needs, and the brand seems to take this into account and just launched a new Pro model with a fair performance upgrade, including a more powerful CPU, 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and a better camera module. So are these upgrades worth the extra $60? Let's find out. Although it is debuted under the name of Pro, there's no significant difference between the Pro variant and the standard version in terms of appearance. The gray color variant looks more subdued than the orange one we've seen before. All the great details have been reserved, with the volume buttons and the power button on the right side having a non-slip finish. All the ports on the body are protected by waterproof plugs. For the new camera module, we can see that there's an additional 8MP wide-angle lens, which is very helpful for capturing natural scenery. The rugged shock-proof design allows W10 Pro to face all kinds of physical threats like other high-end rugged models. And there's no need to panic if it falls from the air. After a few drop tests in purpose, it still works fine. All we need to do during the test was to pick it up and wipe out the dust, or simply take it to shower. When the moisture on the surface evaporates, you've got a brand new phone again. The Hotwave W10 Pro features a 6.53-inch in-cell LCD screen, which is widely seen among budget models. LCD panel still offers the advantage of price and fair display quality. The W10 Pro's screen looks fine in colors and brightness, but the important thing is that it supports operation while wearing gloves, which means it can be used properly for field works, and it's even good for cold environments without taking off the gloves. Performance has always been the drawback of budget rugged phones because generally users don't use them as their primary phones, but thanks to the performance upgrade, the W10 Pro with the 6GB RAM allows you to run multiple apps more smoothly than the standard version. The Helio P22 processor matches the required performance with excellent power efficiency. For long-lasting uses, it's great to have sustained performance and consistently reliable user experience on the Pro version. In terms of GPU performance, the Hotwave W10 Pro can only run a few casual games, but I don't think anyone would try to play an RPG game on a rugged phone either. Hotwave W10 Pro is equipped with a new upgraded 20MP main lens and one more 8MP wide-angle lens. You can check out some images shot on these two lenses here. For outdoor workers and adventurers, I think nothing is more important than long-lasting battery life, and the Hotwave W10 Pro still offers a 15,000 mAh battery capacity. It can easily support over 70 hours of continuous voice calls and up to 1,200 hours of standby time. The powerful battery is not only for its own power supply, but can also work as a power bank to charge your electronic devices through the USB port. Although there's only 18W efficiency supported for reverse charging, it's already more than enough for emergencies. Hotwave W10 Pro runs on original Android 12 with smooth operation response, and it has Google services out of the box. Besides Google apps, there are some built-in tool apps ready to help you better explore in outdoors. In addition, it also supports NFC, which allows you to complete contactless unlock with a single phone by coupling access cards. Well, that's all for the Hotwave W10 Pro, a more versatile budget rugged phone with a super large battery, faster CPU, larger storage, and more useful camera combination. And most importantly, even as a Pro version, it only sells for $150. For those who first try out a rugged phone for outdoor adventure, this is definitely a great entry option with a great value. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Will from Consumer China. See you next time.